Hello there, it's your girl Stace in the place, and me and my crazy little crew wanted to say Happy Mother's Day to all the really Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, especially the ones trying to hold it together while their kids are trying to cut up with this day. Kids, including fur kids, at that. But I just wanted to show you guys this super cute little mug that I got for Mother's Day. It says, "You're doing a great job, Mommy. Happy Mother's Day. Thanks for picking up our poop and stuff." And hopefully it's close enough so you can see it, and it's on the other side too. I thought it was so cute. I think it looks like them. You think this looks like you? Is that you? He's like, girl, bye. Wow, Whitney, wow. So we got something else cool. You want to show them? Okay, so this is what we went to pick up at the mailbox. Right, and this is from Blushiez. And y'all remember I was talking all this smack. Well, not all this smack, but I was going on about the little container. Are you excited, sir? Do you know it's for you? So it's the little doggy little cookies. And then when you open it up here, it's like a little tape measure. You want to play with the tape measure? Like, I don't know about this. And then the little tomato with the, you want the tomato? With the little pins put in there. And then let's see, what else do we have? We have some scissors. This is a good little sewing kit. She's like, excuse me. And then this is looks like a little spool of thread. And then here's the inside. But I just thought it was so adorable. And so I went to the Blushiez website, and it was sold out there, but that's time playing with the tomato. But, or not, yeah, with the little tomato. And, but it's available in their Etsy shop. I will try and link it down below. Hopefully it's still in stock if someone else is interested in purchasing it. But I just thought it was the cutest thing. And after going on about it, and it kept popping up on my Instagram feed for like the last month. And so after doing our Danbury shortbread video, I was like, I just gotta order it. So now we have it. Right, Win? When he's like, I don't play with toys in front of people. They're off the chain. Off the chain. Tux is our most, like, the dog that's the most realistically like a dog. And he'll play with the toys and stuff. Sterling, on the other hand, she's Miss Congeniality. She's the friendly one who likes to play with other dogs. Winnie is her own person. Yeah. We're just going to leave it at that. Yeah, you got the tape measure, bud? But anyhow, I hope that you all are having a wonderful and a lovely Sunday. And happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers, the human mothers, the fur mothers, the stepmothers, all the mothers out there. I hope that you are able to have a moment of relaxation, of joy and excitement today, because today's a special day for everyone. And if you are thinking about going to Bath and Body Works, just mentally prepare yourself, because the line was out of control. I guess a lot of people waited until today to pick up their Mother's Day gifts. This guy and this tape measure, I wish you guys could see this. I need to get like a GoPro camera to be like watching them as this is all going on. But the line was insane. I was just like, I'll come back later. But they had the Vacation Vibes, the new body care collection out, so that was exciting. But I had wanted to pick up the ice cream wallflower plug and the little summer house, but they didn't have them out. And I started to ask, but then I was like, oh, like it's already so busy. I didn't want to bother my friends up in there. But it was exciting to see them. And my husband was like, oh, wow, look at you. Look at you knowing people up in here. I was like, oh, they're my friends. Like, go shopping, right? So we go shopping. We make friends. It's what we do. It's what we do, right? Right? But anyhow, we hope that you all have a wonderful day. Hopefully we will have a haul coming up soon. But I really need to finish the Asian American and Pacific Islander candle reviews. I keep warming roasted sesame. I swear, I keep warming it, and I keep saying, okay, I'm gonna record the video. And then something always happens. So like, it's coming. But anyhow, we hope that you all have a wonderful Sunday. Enjoy yourself. Live it up. And we are gonna go and play with our fake cookie tin. Bye. And there he goes. Yeah, you found a tape measure? Oh, you don't want to play?